how are you guys doing? I'm doing fine, and welcome back to another video of Budget with me. In this video I'm going to be doing the budget for the month of September, and I'm really very excited to say that this budget I will be doing using my first paycheck ever. Yay, I'm so excited for this. Finally I'm going to do my own paycheck budgeting video. So without any further ado, let's... Whoa, did you just hear that? That's thundering. That's a big thunder that happened right now. I think it's gonna rain here. Anyways, let's begin with the budgeting. So for this month we are going to work with, by the way, I'm a right-handed person, so I'm just tilting this page a little bit, and I'm also going to zoom you guys. Just a second. I hope you don't mind me tilting the page a little bit. So what we're gonna work with here, the first income that I will be working with is going to come from my job, and for this we're gonna work with 17,680 rupees, 17,680 rupees. I'm gonna tell you what I will be doing with this. Okay, and the next one that I will be writing is from my online shop Papercuts, and from here I will be taking out 2,000 rupees and will be stuffing it here because I need this cash for making some cash payments during the delivery to the delivery person for shipping out the orders, and it was really difficult to pay him online. He only accepted cash. I don't know why. So I was thinking of removing this amount and stuffing it here so that I can give him cash, as he only accepts cash. So yeah, there's that. So the total amount that we are working with here is 19,680 rupees. So now let's start filling up the categories. For giving, I always budget 200 rupees. So this time also 200 rupees for giving. Then comes the expenses categories. I've zoomed in more, so let's begin. Next comes the expenses. Let me first write down the categories. Okay, so for the last month, if you remember, I was over budget by 677 rupees. So that I will be stuffing it here. So I'm not stuffing it, this will be an online transaction that I made. So for that I've rounded it up to 680 rupees. So this is the 680 rupees that goes in here in this month. For eating out, well, eating out also, you know, I was way over budget actually. Eating out was the reason, and fun was the reason where I went over budget. So for this month I am thinking of putting in 2,000 rupees, and let's see how this works, because this is like the double that I have stuffed in the last month. So let's just see what happens. For travel, I will be giving 500 only, because since I'm not going out that much, so I don't think I will be needing more than that. For fun, let's see what happens this month. This month also I'm stuffing a little bit more. I'm stuffing 500 rupees. Last month I stuffed 300 rupees as far as I remember. And lastly, for miscellaneous also I'm gonna increase it a little bit by 100 rupees. So I'm going to stuff 300 rupees this time. So let me just calculate the total here. 2,000, 3,000, 3,000, and you can see it's again another thunder. So the total comes out to be 3,980 rupees. Well, the next comes are the high priorities sinking funds. Well, I forgot to mention one thing. In the last budget sheet, I didn't have this spent category and remaining category. What I had was budget and actual. So here, and while I was doing the budget closeout for the month of August, I realized that I should have a spent category and a remaining category instead of budgeted and actual amounts. That would make this process much more easier when I do the budget closeout. So I've updated the sheet, and hence you can see the spent and remaining category. So those who have asked for the free downloads for this free printable, if they want, they can also ask for this new one, updated one. If you like, I would be happy to provide you with these. So next comes the high priority sinking funds. Let me write down the categories first, and I'll be back in a second. These are the categories. I've written them down. The first one is the hobby, and this hobby, what I'm doing is I'm gonna I have the envelope named as hobby, but this is actually the paper cuts that I will be stuffing the amount for the shipping purposes. So this amount is going to go inside hobby. So here the 2,000 rupees is going to go. For emergency, I will be stuffing 500 rupees. For medical, I was also over budget. I think a medical category I need some more money than the regular one that I did last month, so I will be stuffing 500 for medical as well. Next comes the subscriptions also 500 rupees. The next comes travel. For travel, I will be stuffing 1000 rupees because I don't know when we are going to be called for office, and so we'll have to travel there. So I'm gonna start saving up for that from now only. Next comes vacations. I will be stuffing 1000 rupees again. For festivals, I will be stuffing 500 rupees. Gifts is going to get 1000 rupees, and my birthday is going to get 500 rupees. So the total comes out to be, let me see if I can do it manually, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,500 rupees. So the total amount for the high priority sinking funds is 7,500 rupees. Next comes for the low priorities. Let me write down the categories. Okay, so these are the categories. I hope you can see them now this time. So for personal, I'm going to allocate 2,000 rupees because I have some plans for my own. I will be using this money for that. Next comes for shopping. I will be giving 500 rupees. And for wardrobe, I will be giving 3,000 rupees. But I won't be stuffing the whole 3,000 rupees. I will be only stuffing 1,000 rupees, and 2,000 rupees is going to remain in the bank and for online transactions, because as you know, all the pujas and festivals are coming up, and my birthday is also coming up. So I'm gonna do a lot of shopping, but that mostly I will do online transactions. So I will keep 2,000 for that. For entertainment, I'm not going to give anything. And I might not have this category in the future. Let me see, because I already have a fun category here. Or maybe if I stuff something in, I can just put some amount for the fun category here. Like I'll just stuff something from here only. Like for example, if I stuff 1,000 rupees for entertainment, I'll just take 500 and keep it in here, you know, to carry in my wallet. Next comes the self-care, the last category, and for that I am going to give 500 rupees. So the total here comes out to be 3, 5 and 6,000 rupees. And last time I didn't allocate anything for my savings, but not this time. This time I will be putting some savings, some money into my savings, and this is going to be 1,000 rupees. So this is also going to be an online transaction. I won't be stuffing it here, but since this is my budget, it's going to stay in my budget. So the total savings is going to be 1,000 rupees. And don't worry guys, I will be doing some saving challenges very soon, so stay tuned for that. Probably in this month, or maybe it can begin from the next month, I'll see. So the total income that we worked with here is 19,680 rupees. So that's it guys, this was my budget for the month of September. I think I should write this down. So this was my September's budget. I know my handwriting is very bad, so just ignore that. So this was my budget for the month of September. I really hope to stick with it, and let's see. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also follow me on my Instagram channel, and here also please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on, and do all the beautiful stuff so that it will really help me grow. The next video is going to be about the cash stuffing video, so stay tuned for that, and until next time, see you then. Take care. Bye bye.